I just went to 3 different thrift stores and got all this stuff to sell online. I'm going to show you what I got, how I got it, and most importantly, what it's worth. So stay tuned. So you guys thought I wasn't going to find anything at that first stop, but I did. Found this John Deere PC 2000. It's a hedge trimmer. Paid $1.94 for it, and it's pretty cool. It works. And this thing goes for like 25 or 30 bucks. I'll put a comp up here, plus shipping. So yeah, 2 into 25, I'll take it. So I picked up this Star Wars shirt for no other reason than it was cool, and it's only $1.50. So if I decide to sell it and not wear it, which I'll probably wear it, it may get 10 or 15 bucks for it, free shipping. So not a huge money maker, but still a cool shirt. So I grabbed this Bakugan, not really sure how to pronounce it. The battle brawlers, little robots that fight each other. Paid $1.50 for it. It wasn't a big investment, so I figured I'd take a chance on it. There's some that are listed pretty high, but I couldn't find any exact sold comps. So took a chance on it for $1.50, and yeah, let's go to the next store. Grab this pair of New Balance 750 version 2s. They're really clean. Check out those treads. Paid $6.50 for them. None sold on eBay, but there's a couple listed. I still think I can get $30 for them as clean as they are. They look almost new. And I'm also going to cross post them to Facebook Marketplace. If you don't already know, Facebook Marketplace is a really good spot to sell shoes. But yeah, I think it's doing pretty good. So I grabbed this beast. This is a Torso Track 2. It's an abdominal exerciser. I've actually sold this before, so I'm not scared of shipping it. I know it's big, but you can actually take this bar out, set it inside the back, wrap it in bubble wrap, stick it in a box, and you're good to go. Paid up for it at 20 bucks, but I'll sell it for like 125 plus shipping. Sold this one before, like I said, and it went quick, so I think this one will too. One thing you want to make sure of is that these elastic bands are intact, and we've got the knee pad. So if you ever see these, make sure of those, and definitely pick it up. It's a good buy. So I'm not really sure why I bought this, but this is a Radio Shack vintage home monitor. Don't really know what it was, and that's kind of why I bought it. I wanted to learn about it. There is a sold comp at 40 bucks. I paid $5 for this one, as you can tell by the 87 price stickers they put on it. But worst case scenario, I get an education. Best case scenario, I get 40 bucks plus shipping. So grab these laser line CD spinners. They're storage devices that hold 50 CDs, and they're pretty old. I think they're vintage. Paid $1.94 for them. Didn't find any sold comps. There's 2 listed at $39.99 plus shipping. I think that's a little high. There's some solds on the 80 CD holders for like $29.99, $35, somewhere in there. I'm gonna probably list these at $25, and hopefully I'll sell them soon because I've got 4 of them. So these are pretty cool. These are Caterpillar Cat, the company that makes tractors and road graders. These are women's shoes. They're steel toe, really good condition. I mean, they may have been worn once. Last sold comp was $29.75 plus shipping. I'm probably going to shoot a little higher since they're in great condition, maybe $35. Paid $6.99, and I think we'll do pretty good. So I grabbed this Ping cart bag, and they call it a cart bag because it's big and heavy and it stays on your cart. You don't really tote it around a lot. It does have a little damage here. The handle is missing. So that's going to detract a little bit from the value. I still think I can get $75 for it. Last one that sold for $80, and it was in pretty rough condition. So paid $7.99. I think I can turn it into $75, so not a bad buy. If you don't know already, CC Filson is a heck of a brand to be on the lookout for. If you find Filson, you've probably got something. This is probably a $100 pair of pants. I'm probably going to list these for $75 or $80. There's none that have sold on eBay in new condition. There's a couple that have sold in used condition for $40, $45. So I think I got $75 here and only paid $3.99, so not bad. So last item, I was on the way out of Salvation Army and I saw these kids Nike Air Max. Only paid $4.99 for them, and they're in really good condition. There's only one set that are listed and they want $49.89 for them. There's none that have sold. I'm probably going to throw these out there for around $35, $40 plus some shipping. And yeah, I think they'll move pretty quick. They're really good shape. And that's the last item I got for you today. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think was my best item that I found today. Could be the most valuable or just your favorite. So yeah, we'll see you. Wait a minute. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, we'll see you next time.